I'm going to show you how to book a ticket on onwardticket.com. So this is the homepage, and all you have to do is click the Book Now button, and it takes you straight to the info page. Let's just say we want the ticket for the 10th of October. And the important thing to remember is the from is going to be the destination that you're leaving from. So say I'm currently in London, going to Paris. Paris will wish to see my return ticket. So I'll be leaving from Paris, going back to London. And we'll just enter my details here. And then contact information, you just make sure that you're putting in the email address that you wish your ticket to be sent to. Now the option here we have receive later. So if you click this one is if you need the ticket right now. So say that you're at the airport, or say that you are going to the airport tomorrow, then you can click this. For an extra €1 you can receive it later. I'm going to just say that we need it now. Changeover again is just two options here, and then pay in options are either euros or US dollars. So I'm going to go with euros. As you can see here, it's €12 or $12. There we have it. You can check over your booking details to make sure that's all correct, and then payment details either through credit card or PayPal. Okay, so your flight reservation is confirmed. It says here you can now download your ticket, so I can either do so from here. Okay, so here's the PDF ticket. It has all of the details necessary. You've got the departure date, the departure destination, arrival destination, and all the details of the flight. And if I just go over to my Gmail account, you can see the email I also received within 2 minutes of booking has the same information of the ticket there as well. So this is all you need for proof of your Onward ticket, no need to print it. Okay, so all the best and happy travels!